Alright, how's it going, ladies and gentlemen? Haven't done a video in a long time. I thought I'd make one. I just started working on this project again. Had a couple days before I go off. Bought a snowmobile, had an engine in it, and I took the engine out because the other one wasn't working. Didn't get it to, like, it would turn over, but I couldn't get it to run. So I just gave up and bought a new sled. So, got that for 200 bucks or whatever. Took the engine out. Spent the last, like, 10 hours putting the engine back, putting the new engine in here. Came with the carb and everything. Had the plastic housing, so that's good. Lights and fuel tank I'm gonna have to mount somewhere. Oil tank. I got the hub fixed. I built this hub, grinded this off, built this plate, put the rod through, lathed it up, put that on there. Here's the steering. Replaced all the bearings, as you know, in there. So right now I'm hooking up all the electrical and the fuel and stuff for the engine, so I can get it running. And then after that, seat, fix the brake, and it's gonna be running. So yeah, that's where I'm at right now. I'll catch you later.